Dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the main attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.5, which is the good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details provided, including information about the restaurant and its open for and dietary options. First, you can see the restaurant details like room size, website, room amenities, facilities, and packages, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. Room category sixth. Room category seventh. Room category 8th. Room category 9th. Room category 10th. Room category 11th. Room category 12th. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Amenities of rooms are enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is good. Guests to enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Hotels not accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check the link in description box. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.